What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Juan back at it again, and today we are talking about the best beginner credit cards for people that are rebuilding their credit or people that are just new to credit in general. Without further ado, cue the intro. Let's get right into this one, guys. The best beginner cards on the market. The first one I want to touch on is the Discover It Chrome Secured. Now, there is an unsecured version of this card, but the secured option, in my opinion, is better suited for people that are rebuilding their credit and also people that are new to credit in general, all right? So it gets 2% cash back on restaurants and also at gas stations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for this secured option, like, you're not gonna find anything better than this, in my opinion. Something that rewards you, and it's not even an unsecured line of credit. This is simply amazing, okay? That the fact that you're getting rewards for a secured card is just, it's incredible, honestly. So again, you're getting 2% cash back on gas stations and restaurants, okay? This is amazing. I can't say it stressing enough. It's amazing. And then you're gonna get 1x back on everything else. And they're actually going to start to evaluate your account within 6 months, or after 6 months, I should say. And if your credit is looking really good, your scores went up a little bit, all that good stuff, they actually will unsecure this card relatively fast. I have this card, and when I had the secured option of it, they went ahead and unsecured my line in about 6, or it might have been 7 months, but it was about 6 months. They went ahead and unsecured it, and I think quadrupled my credit limit, okay? So this card is simply amazing. Obviously, there's no annual fee. And how secured cards work, if you don't know, you put up a deposit, and that deposit is your credit line. So say, for instance, you're gonna put up $200 to this card. That $200 will be your credit line. They take that $200, they put it in like a savings account for you, and it just sits there, and then that $200, that's your credit line, and then you just use that, pay it off on time every month like you're supposed to, and your credit will go up. Your relationship with the bank is going to improve, and once they see your patterns and your habits and everything is in good standing, in that 6-month period, you should be good to go. I guarantee you on that. This card also gives you free FICO score monitoring, which is great. This is a good feature to have. A lot of times you do have to pay to get your real FICO scores. I'm not talking about Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Those are good to actually just view your report, but your actual FICO score, you want something like this. And this pulls TransUnion, so you'll be able to see your TransUnion credit FICO score and monitor that every month. It reports right after your statement cuts. So this is a really good thing. And also with Discover too, they have Discover Scorecard. Now, if you sign up for the scorecard, it's free, doesn't cost anything at all. You don't even have to have a credit card to get this. You can actually monitor your Experian credit report, okay? So you can not only have TransUnion if you have the secured line of this card, or any Discover card for that matter. You can also have the scorecard Discover version, which is just login information, and you'll have your Experian, FICO, and TransUnion for free. So that is simply incredible, guys. So we'll go ahead and move on. And again, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that blue like button for me. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow, okay? So we're gonna continue on. Next, the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card, I would say, is great after you move on from that Discover It card and you're trying to inch up and start getting into maybe travel rewards, or you want to get more serious about cash back. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is the perfect card. You're going to get 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Doesn't matter. It's no rotating categories, no this category, that category. It's anything you purchase on this card, you get 1.5% cash back. So that is simply amazing. It's incredible. This is a good starter card. You don't have to think about this. Whatever you buy, 1.5. And then also with this card, you're gonna get with the sign up bonus, this is included, you get 0% APR for up to 15 months. Now, I never encourage anybody to carry a balance on any credit card, but if you were gonna do it, you wanna do it on a 0% APR card. So this would be a perfect option for that if you maybe got some home improvement stuff going going on that you need to put on this card, or whatever the case may be, do it on this card with the intro bonus, because you do get 15 months with 0% APR. And do make sure, if you do take advantage of this, make sure that balance is paid up before this 15 months is up, because you will start accruing interest at that point forward. Okay, but again, I don't recommend you carry a balance, but if you were going to do it, this would be the perfect card to do that with, any 0% APR intro offer on any credit card. And also, there's no annual fee on this card as well, which is obviously great. You don't want any annual fees starting out when you're getting your feet wet into the credit card game. And I actually touched on this in another video. I'll link it up with a card here to the top left. But you get purchase protection on this card. It is up to 120 days, and it's $500 per claim. So this is a great benefit for no annual fee card. You're gonna get anything you buy with this card that tops out at $500. You have that peace of mind that you have purchase protection. If it gets lost, damaged, stolen, anything like that, you're gonna be a-okay. Chase is gonna have your back, and Chase is a very good bank to bank with and be a part of, because their customer service is pretty good. I think they're, in my opinion, second only to Amex. You're also gonna get extended warranty, which I touched on this in another video as well. Additional year manufacturer warranty on top of whatever factory warranty that the item already had. Okay, another great feature. Once you're getting into Chase's ecosystem, this card is really good. Like I said, it gets your feet wet into like the travel rewards. This card is a technically Chase UR point earning card. We'll touch on that in further videos coming up. This card gets your feet wet with that. Okay, you're going to be accumulating UR points. So right now, I do believe the sign up bonus for this card is if you spend $500 within 3 months, I think you get $200 or 20,000 Chase UR points. That's actually a really good sign up offer. It's usually about 150, I want to say, or 15,000 Chase UR points. So this offer that they have going on right now is actually really good. So I would definitely take advantage of that. And you can obviously use the $200 as cash back, but I'd actually recommend you not do that and just keep it as UR points, because once you keep going up the credit card ladder and you want to get into more travel related Chase cards, like maybe the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Reserve down the line, you actually want to keep those, because that valuation of those points are gonna go up when you get a travel card like that. Like, for instance, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is 1.25 boost on those points. Okay, instead of just having a 1 cent per point transfer rate, you'll be getting boosted up. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind. In my opinion, I actually would just hold on to those Chase UR points, because they do become more valuable as you move up with Chase and get better cards. All right, and that's all I have for you guys today. These are my 2 cards that I think are best for beginners to get you started, get you going. And go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. It's going to be great videos like this coming up in the future. Stay tuned. And with that said, you guys stay safe and have a good day.